Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 question number 7th of January 2020 question number 18. P implies Q intersection Q implies not P is equivalent to 4 options are given. This is a very favorite problem of reasoning, and JEE must select one question from reasoning and statistics. Now moving to the problem. At first we draw the truth table. Firstly, I am using pencil to draw the table, and it is now draw Venn diagram. This is P and this is Q. Our first diagram, P implies Q. If P will happen, then Q will happen, also happen, else P will not happen. This is the portion. If P will happen, then Q will also happen, else P will not happen. This is P will not happen. So our first picture is clear. Now moving to second picture, second Venn diagrams. I just plot down this. At first you look at this, Q implies not P. So our second truth table as well as Venn diagram, we first draw P and Q. What I am telling, Q implies not P. So if Q will happen, not P will happen. So it is like that. If P will happen, not P will happen, else Q does not happen, else Q does not happen. It is clear? So here I just repeated down. If P will happen, then Q will also happen, else P does not happen. Second picture, Q implies not P. If Q will happen, not P will happen. It shows that. And else Q does not happen. It shows that Q does not happen. I just draw down just like this. Now it question give that we take intersection from those. So intersection, this two table, final table becomes just like that. Plot down PQ. So outer regions are common. Outer regions are common here. So this is also common. This is common. This one is common. This portion is also common. This portion is common. So and this is not common. So this area is not common. It shows it is not P. Is it clear? When we take the two intersection, then this area is common here. PQ's common region, outer regions is also common, and this area is also common. So it shows it is not P. So our answer is option option 1. That's all. It is a very easy problem about when we plot down the Venn diagrams and truth table, then you easily understand the what the question telling about. That's all for today. Any questions, any queries about this problem, you should just comment me on the comment box. That's all.